Only one best of 5 remain. Only 2 teams remain.
I want to win. I've waited for this day 4 years.不管你姓什么，名字什么，从哪来到哪去，我也不管我是输还是赢。我现在想的就是，我们要放开了打，谁来我们都不怕。
We started lower bracket, top 12. Did we do anything special?
Dude, all this shit because of one series we lost?
I know, but like...
It's better, you fuck! It's better to play a lower bracket.
Yeah, we practiced, we got a lot of practice in. Yes. We learned a lot. I learned a lot. So that's nice.
Upper brackets for bitches! Yeah!
也不用打太怂，我觉得我们打老边第一把就太怂了，我觉得放开打，觉得自己屌就锤，然后 KP 靠多报信息说能不能锤，我随时可以参战，然后我们来制定战术，
还行。但是这种情况不能让他拿到先知，不然我们陷入压力。
先师，他们是牛头光法，
或者我玩赏金去把你砍人，我去做扑视野。
要不我来凑合一下玩一下赏金。
Don't forget our motto.
Don't give a fuck.
Don't give a fuck. The less fucks we give, the better we will play. And when you go to the stage,
deep breaths when you
the moment we walk on the stage, I want you all guys to take deep breaths while you walk. Get the air. You know when boxers are like, oh, I need to like smell the air and get used to it. It is real. Get the air into your body. Get used to the air. Take deep breaths.
I just like to remind you guys, this is our only TI finalist speaking, so he's an authority.
I waited 4 fucking years for this day. This time we're gonna rewrite history.
Oh,
哎，跟以往的不一样啊，感觉出场方式。
不一样吧？还是
发动机应该走出来的，放轻松。
This guy is gonna outdraft. He's gonna outdraft Newbie. Empower him.
Only Maroon empowers me.
What? What do you mean?
I don't like him anymore.
Yeah, me too, actually. I'm gonna throw one.
No, don't say that. We should take
If you throw, I'm throwing with you.
All right, let's roll. We have to do it. It doesn't matter what we do, throw or win. Let's do it together. That's the most important thing. Do one thing together.
Get ready to make some noise, because our first team is about to head to the main stage. Join me in welcoming from China, Newbie! They're no strangers to esports. They are Team Liquid.
Let's do it for Kuro, boys.
Let's go Kuro boss.
I'm very confident, guys.
Nice. We are too, boy.
Draft begins.
那现在他们一选，我们搬什么？那我们先放小精灵，还是放先知出来？
你别放先知，搬那个光
要不
法。
还是这么办？刚才你把候选的说就说这么办了，就是办精灵加先知啊。
I don't want to deal with Earthspirit, guys. The first game we lost against FI was only because of fucking Earthspirit. I think this Earthspirit is
Newbies turn to
因
ban.
为他们不按照我们的思路来，
是的，
因为他们怕我们的土猫加血魔，所以你也猜不到他会拿。
对对对，他怕我们土方血魔，所以办两个。
不是，跟我说，我觉得可以，我觉得可以办牛头。那么问题就来了，可以换思路了。
Team Liquids turn to pick.
We can pick Prophet. No. And then we can decide what we want.
You are pro pro?
Yeah, just pick Prophet and then we'll see what we want.
Are you sure though?
I'm very confident.
They might just go Sven straight up.
Fuck them.
You know, like last time I played TI finals, I had to play against First Pick Prophet all the time. I'm First Pick myself. These guys don't notice I've already influenced you into Lone Druid and Prophet and IO.
I speak for the trees.
哇，那问题来了。
We have that Nature's Prophet back in. It was a huge star in the previous series.
I personally am going to expect less of a massive impact out of Mind Control's hero, just the way it works in this game.
Newbies turn to pick.
大部分的感觉都不是特别好的，要有那种甩技能。
没太多时间。
10 seconds
救
remaining.
火女吧，火猫呢？火猫中路100%的。
救火女了。
救火女，主要火女也挺容易被干的，对吧
Lina.
Lina, alright. I suggested Lina, boys. I'm pretty happy with this.
我感觉我们这阵容是不是缺个站前面的？是的呀，所以我不想选丽娜呀，很容易死，飞过来就死了。所以我说只有刚被受了。他现在可能会有点难受。我觉得是龙骑这种，虽然有点把，但是比丽娜好发挥。要不然这样其实挺难受的。他们一有你就死，关键没有不宁可，主要前面也浪费太久时间了，也不用怕太多，一人选。
The place where immortals are crowned, and it is the International Grand Final.
Let's go! Let's go!
KP on bottom lane, a little bit of trouble. GH actually able to get that first crush. The body blocking from the trees. Mind control! We have a lane switch, middle lane, courier snipe, mind control coming in for the kill on SEC.
这个先知把了鸡头了，这个鸡是怎么飞的？为什么先知直接飞到这里？
Killing him top, maybe.
Oogie able to TP out, mind control, they get the vision, and this was the only lane that was going decent for Newbie.
If you guys run in, I can finish Rosh.
Yeah, I will.
已经去了。
Roshan's down to 2k, KP, he does have the firefight.
Get Lina. I'll get Lina.
This Lina just does not have the life to survive.
要不我不出玄晶石，我直接裸 A 上了。没用。是不是需要我秒的？没用啊。我出玄晶石，我感觉跟这个。 出什么都没用，我觉得先慢慢打。
Team Liquid, they are everywhere on this map.
We can play on the Sword Crush. Infest me. I'm going.
Infest up, they're going in once more. Blink looking for the crush, the frostbite.
啊，我发了小狗血。哦，我操，林肯。
Hey, no, I have Lincoln. Just protect. Focus on the fight.
Oh no, the Lincoln Spear. He had it up. KP blinked in. He was looking for the lasso, but the lasso is.
Oh, nice, man. Nice. Good job.
Down. This is not the position Newbie thought they were going to have.
没急吧？看一下。
那关键点就是他们的先知不能翻，而且我觉得这个历许对我们来说也比较的烦。记了吧？记了吧。下一关。
Only one game.
Going hamburger. Nice, good shit, boys. That throw pick was. I mean, honestly, they fucked up with the Lina pick. Lina cannot do shit.
Oh, they had no picks left. I was very confident in
Yeah, me too.
I mean, I felt very good because I fucked up the LFY series. I was like, I just want to do my thing. Kind of. Just be aware of the newbie 5-man Chinese move. That's it. Nothing else. Only one move. They only have one move. That's it. It's like just stay sharp, guys. You're doing really well. Just keep it. We made really good decisions.
Feels good, man.
Let's play more Dota, guys.
شخ يا مروان شخ طلع اللي ببالك.
Don't forget the most important thing about next game. Let's have fun.
Yeah. And don't give a fuck.
It could be the most fun game in your life.
Yeah, don't give a fuck. Don't give a fuck.
就打不了，这种就打不了。这把不是实力问题，是我们这种我觉得是有缺陷的。我觉得是跟前一手也是有关系吧，跟分路有关系。我觉得跟那中单，我觉得中单就整个要看出什么好一点，就对吧？就是已经到那第10手的时候，我作为我的角度已经作为我的角度来说，我选什么我中路都不可能优，只有刚背优。刚背也优不到哪里去，不会这么难受，也玩不到哪去。不是你这样被开了就什么玩不了，懂吗？下把就调整一下阵容，也没什么。
Take a deep breath, Maroon.
I took like 7.
Oh my god, that was a good one. Feel the game, guys. Calm yourself and feel the game. No pressure.
As we're going into this very next game, I just want to ask straight up, what is the big shift in drafting that we need to see out of Newbie?
I think Newbie should focus more on mind control because I feel like he's been the best player this tournament.
MC
What did he say? What did he say?
I don't know. He's been the best player in this tournament.
MC? Yeah, bro. You're all the best. Respect them, okay? They fucked up a lot. They picked bad. They never played bad.
Dude, they picked CM Nyx against Prophet.
Yeah, they picked like wrong heroes. So they just felt the game. Like they will be much stronger now. So be ready, guys. Be ready, okay? Be ready for these guys.
起码先知吧，我觉得。
是，他们队的先知不要再放。
Team Liquid's turn to pick.
Someone's being targeted.
I think Sumail told him how to do it.
光法肯定会有，好吧？反正我是觉得。小牛去赌，光法都不选了。
这个我就不知道他们什么意思了。
Fuck this clap, dude.
I mean, that's a great thing about Liquid in my opinion because personally I think they are the hardest team to like draft against because they can play almost every single hero in the game, I feel like.
Newbies
没
turn
想到
to
怎么
pick.
打这个
你对吧？打巨鹿不是很吃力，然后可以手动，没时间了。
你别打1分钟，1分钟，1分钟，1分钟，别！悠久迪瓦斯怎么样？悠久？
好像你起来有点牛逼啊！我们4个人。
好像还行。
Anti-mage.
悠悠，你这把就真狠，好吧，兄弟。
冰魂在上，冰魂在上。
可以杀。
Breaks available. Kuro's on the run. Wants to try and juke in the fog of war. It won't be successful.
OK， 悠久。
Matumba, Faith wants to block him. You got the
我
frost.
还有个免接再杀人。
Like KP, he actually blocked it perfectly. And Newbies.
杀戮服 ，nice， 兄弟们可以。
因为在这打野，我看到了。
OK， 是。
And he'll go for the Burrow Strike. SCCC.
来特。
兄弟们加油啊！7杠0。
I think for the first time in this series, the China crowd have finally gotten a voice. Of course, the kill count is that point when you understand that kills don't mean everything in Dota.
We should actually just get Roche. They have epicenter down, pop wave down.
Yep.
这个怎么进去呢？悠久不来吗？悠久，再过来了。进去吧，不进去等我打没了。
There's your jump forward. It goes on the GH's Earthshaker. Aegis Immortal are in the hands of Miracle and Liquid. Now they have everything they need to win this fight. The Ice Blast hit onto the SK. Even the Scythe. 3 heroes from Nubia falling down. GH gets the Echoes.
哎呀，能进去啊！我操，我被481打了。
我觉得最好是你们进，然后我自己会看着收割的，只要你们把这个团看起来。
巨他们灭了。
Team Liquid, they're not done yet.
They're gonna wait for Chemical Rage and push for the high ground again, knowing that key cooldowns are now not available. There's no Chain Frost, no Blink Duel.
我先去剧毒。
我现在怕什么？怕对吧？被抓一波，然后一波被扣死了。我就怕这个。
There's a AM here.
Look at Mugi. He's going to try and run the back lines. Blink Burrow Strike, holding Miracle into position. Venomanta almost down the Mana Void. Mugi couldn't get it off. Now the Exorcist from GH will control him, and this will be a huge kill if they can claim it. Anti-Mage is falling. Anti-Mage is down for 2 minutes. They've lost the numbers. There isn't enough defense here from Newbie without the Anti-Mage, without their big core. They just don't have the damage.
我是被这买的，那他妈值得记了。我的没有的。
他们这样打队，我们喊了半天，我觉得没到好慢啊！我在那反眼，然后有个棒子在打我，或者你过来把那个棒子 A 的都行，你把那棒子 A 我直接摇到刺进去了，棒子在 A 我，你知道吗？
我第一时间到也打不起来，所以我希望你们先打起来，然后我自己到头过来。
这个棒子就在脸上，你不来，我们帮我把那个棒子 A 了，我摇到就刺进去了，没人进去开视野，这盾莫名其妙选项都不知道，这样打怎么打得了呢？
我也不知道。我跟陈哥都在一棒子，然后如果我开瑞尔进去，我觉得我要有球提前在，我觉得。
说了好久，我觉得是不是我们应该杀人推塔？我觉得在你都没有跳的时候，是不是应该必线推塔这种？怎么这样把人打了？怎么这把球完全被他们带个队就带死了，打死了，一波带人打死了。
你说你们自己想，别说了，都别说了，自己想，你们自己想，相信自己，都别想了，有点没事。让二嘴上，
加油！还有一把，
没关系。
就当4比1。
This could be the final game of TI. Newbie are down 0-2. Team Liquid has made an extraordinary run, winning 6 consecutive series to get here. But Newbie still has the chance. They still can win this game. They'll have to win 3 more if they want the championship. So if you're a Liquid fan, if you're a Newbie fan, let me hear you make some noise. It's time for Game 3 of the Grand Final.
这把他们先选，看他选吧。他们2把都没选什么正常的英雄。是的，我觉得欧场应该整个蹦进去或者第2线来，我觉得，真的，我觉得打队赢，
作为我的角度，
人心一定要起，我觉得要不然第2早点过来，不能想要坐过来。先打这一轮吧。
是的，先把这把打了。
Let's go Liquid.
Let's go Liquid. Virtus Pro.
Navi.
Maroon, you promised to cry if you win.
I didn't want to. What did you just say? No. Stop thinking about winning. Focus on this game.
Okay, sir.
给他们来一把，咱把居罗加小歪。
听起来还行。
我们既然都打到这了，
就把自己
打得舒服的东西就打出来，再输了也服了，好吧？就是加小歪，我们平常训练就这么打的，来。
How's Troll? Troll is great because we need Roshan and high ground and stuff.
Jug gives Roshan.
If you believe in Jug, I'll go. I think Jug is strong.
I do believe in Jug.
I think Jug is good. I think he's a good hero. He can carry this game. Look at it.
You have summoned Juggernaut.
那或者就悠悠有没有什么觉得好发挥的 C？ 我觉得我剧组也可以中，看你悠悠。
本来想说健身的，但是被了他们了。
悠悠没有什么觉得好的是吗？比如说血魔这样的。 哎，快点，陈哥，赶紧选一个，你选一个，我点了，没时间了。
就 Q P 吧，我觉得。
10 seconds remaining.
会不会太整个阵容太了？就这个，我觉得就这个。
这个，
我觉得女王太软了，
我觉得还。
Our fighting is very strong, so let's just push out waves and keep fighting them.
不过等于我觉得他们这把其实很好打，就是。
I think this is Newbie's best draft of the finals. If they can't win this game, then Liquid is just hands down the better team today.
Miracle, where's that follow-up? Have they got the stun? They do, so there's no spin available with Spirit Siphon. Miracle just has to tank the physical damage.
That was unfortunate.
小牛再来下路。
Wow, Boogie.
Even trying to surge GH away from that fight.
哎，小牛，我来吗？我来。 我可以抱过来。
Gale gonna connect on his target. And SCCC, if the Plague Ward up on the hill, realize no one else is there from Team Liquid.
They're smoked up.
那你先吃吧，我觉得。说大就大。可以。哎，谁说大就大吧？大。
There's the Stampede though, and this will be the kill.
The Shackles hold him there. That's a huge kill. Miracle to fall with Moogie already up.
So they got all 3 tier 1s at 12 minutes. Just a very good timing, but not really too much of a gold lead to show for it.
我的大没了，走了。
走吗？他们接 PVCP 的，
马上就活了。但是接着人不见了，注意点。来，刘人分开一点。
Oh look here. Search me. He's here.
Oh, not tonight.
Nice one.
Not tonight, boys. Not tonight.
感觉到健身会转来的。是的，不该推这个，我没大，感觉就不是很好推这个，你觉得呢？力气在后面，直接打，刷了打，力气在后面。
No one's defending this. They'll even burn Exorcism of SCCC to ensure this Roshan goes down very quickly.
They're rushing.
Don't lose formation. Only Jugger in front.
Liquid, they are coming.
对哪？水箭队攻略一下，水箭队对哪？
我要这个队，剑圣这里，我断牛头了。
Going in.
Massive puts it down too, but the air goes there. And Lynn Johnson.
Nice, get him on!
Blood.
Nice, good check, guys.
The dominating streak and the big advantage that Newbie had just disappeared.
我看如果轮断球头能打赢吗？
感觉能。
感觉能。
那个牛跳大步出来，就算一个人输出不够。
It's a huge ask. They have to defend, and they know they've lost control of this game. The goal graph has swung by about 10,000 in favor of Team Liquid, not to mention the experience graph racking up about 12k to 13k movement.
Check runes, might be very good rune.
双倍，我开始 A 了，别，让他死。
Didi, force me for it.
It's a reaction telling what's all about. Miracle, the bar strike from Kaka. It'll connect, follow up, Bishop and KP. He'll get this on the massive wall, middle of the field, Darksy.
Oh, they will jump, help.
Miracle, the echo slams there from GH and the Omni side. And damage outputs Turbing with the side. SCC is gone for 2 minutes, but right now it's all Liquid. They have taken down 4, would lose nothing, but take everything from Newbie.
No, that was nice. That was a little bit too close for my taste.
Bottom racks.
Yeah, go.
And then we take top racks.
Okay. Okay, boss.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
Oh, they're fucking up. They fucked up.
Look at the worst positioning.
Look at me.
Look at the worst positioning.
Heal. I have healing ward.
Guys, look at the worst positioning.
Yes.
It's bad for them.
Yeah, relax.
See.
My fucking team hates me.
Enjoy ourselves. It's gonna be very nice now. Look, I'm gonna put a ward here. Be ready.
一会儿找机会。
我直接压到吃了，等不了了。
Holding him, up they come once more. No Hex, no instant available. Omni Slash on top of Moogie. The Shrines are doing enough, and it is all a miracle show.
Get him! Alright, get center.
It needs to do some damage, but right now Newbie dropping life flash and GG.
Holy shit, guys! Holy shit! Shit! 3-0. Nobody has ever done that. No one has ever done that.
We're the first one. Well done, guys.
You're a TI fucking champion. Is it heavy? No, it's not heavy.
One more time, raise the roof of the Key Arena. Team Liquid.
Player in the world. They deserve it, man.
boss. Easy, easy. Just with TI.
不怪你，不怪你，他们打得好。
就觉得这样把被打。
没事。别哭，你一哭我也想哭了。别哭。没有你，我们也走不了这一步，你要这样，对吧？是不是？没有，你不错了，已经，你很多人都做不到你这样的。
下一次，我们下个赛季再回来。就是，行了行了，挺好的。
喝水压压惊。
大家都可骄傲了，干嘛呢？哪有这么顺的一路？第一次打 TI 就能拿冠军啊？
没有，就觉得自己没有打好。
没打好没事，回去找找原因不就行了吗？你是人又不是神，对不对？
你是答应你老婆是以夺篮冠军娶她吧？她就怕她不嫁给你吧？
你这样，你爸已经很骄傲。
不，他要经历过这次，人都有个过程经历的，想哭今天就哭，好好哭也没事。
咱中国第一了。
Oh, the sun is nice.
Look at all your fans.
Yeah.
I'm gonna follow you because I should never walk in front of champions.
No, we follow you. Yes, we follow you.
No, but after you, sir.
No, after you.
Hey, can I also get a selfie?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Hey, can I also get a selfie? Thank you. 3, 2, 1.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Nice job, man. Love it.
Can I touch the edge? Just touch it. Yeah.
This is not real life.
Right?
This is not
I
real life.
I actually feel the same.
It's too good to be true.
It is.
Right?
Because we were so focused on our work. All right, majors next year.
Minors, majors. Dude, let's think about it later, please. Dude, you're so actually... That's why you're bald, honestly.
You gotta look forward, man.
Fuck
Gotta plan
me.
long term.
Alright. That's why you're bald?